you know that we have over 30,000 telecommunications towers in Nigeria, and this has led to increased health risks and environmental impact. This video is an exposition on the topic breakthrough perspectives in collocation and infrastructure sharing in Nigeria. Speaking here is Precious Odega, an undergraduate intern at Harlem Solicitors, and today I'll be discussing the important frameworks that ease collocation and infrastructure sharing in Nigeria. Collocation is the sharing of a telecommunication mast by two or more telecommunication service providers. Collocation is not the same as interconnectivity. It is an element of interconnectivity. Infrastructure sharing, on the other hand, is a mutual agreement between two or more operators to jointly use network facilities, and it is usually guided by specified relevant technical and commercial conditions. The Nigerian Communications Commission is the body that governs and regulates the telecommunication sector in Nigeria and pursuant to the powers vested in it by Section 17 of the Nigerian Communications Commissions Act 2003, also known as the NCA 2003. It has provided a guideline on collocation and infrastructure sharing in Nigeria, hereinafter referred to as the guidelines. Paragraph 3 of the guidelines provides for its objectives, which is to reduce proliferation of masts and towers, to reduce capital expenditure of operators, to promote fair competition among operators, and to minimize duplication of infrastructures. Paragraph 4 of the guideline provides for the infrastructures amenable to sharing, which includes masts, cable ducts, trenches, electric power, and right-of-way. Paragraph 5, on the other hand, prohibits the sharing of base stations, complete network structures, switching centers, radio network controllers, and frequencies. However, there is a draft being proposed by the NCC that would permit the sharing of complete network structures, base stations, switching centers, frequencies. However, it retains the prohibition of national roaming. Paragraph 5 of the draft further provides for the implementation of active business rules on active infrastructure sharing in Nigeria. The guideline provided by the NCC provides that a request made known to an operator must be responded to within 30 days of such receipt, and shall be determined on a first-come, first-served basis. It also provides that an agreement, a collocation and infrastructure sharing agreement, shall be registered with the Nigerian Communications Commission. Paragraph 7 and 11 of the guidelines provides for the conditions through which a collocation and infrastructure sharing request might be refused, although the NCC has the power to enforce facility sharing and collocation agreements between operators. Paragraph 8 of the guideline further provides for a requesting party to pick the most suitable form of collocation available, which is when a physical collocation arrangement is not feasible, a virtual collocation agreement must be offered, and when a virtual collocation agreement is not feasible, a remote collocation agreement must be offered. It should be noted that the Nigerian Communications Commission is not the only body governing collocation and infrastructure sharing in Nigeria. The National Environmental Standards and Regulations Enforcement Agency, also known as the NENSRE, has provided for collocation and infrastructure sharing as an objective under its Regulation 2 of the National Environmental Standards for Telecommunication Broadcasting Facilities, Regulation 2011. It should be noted that the provisions of the NCC and the NENSRE has achieved the following in the Nigerian telecommunication sector. 1. Reduction in the proliferation of masts and towers. 2. It has enhanced the quality of service among operators. It has provided for a competitive advantage of operators. It has reduced the stress of seeking permit approvals and governmental approvals. It has allowed for healthy competition among operating bodies. From the foregoing, we can see that the breakthrough initiative by the NCC and Intern to provide for collocation and infrastructure sharing in Nigeria has greatly impacted the telecommunications sector. For more inquiries, please visit our website at www.halemsolicitors.com and our LinkedIn page at Halem Solicitors. Thank you.